Great British marine life, candy-striped flatworm, Prostheceraeus vittatus.
Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea Great British Marine Life series with me, Victoria. Today I'm going to be talking about the candy-striped flatworm. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is a very short one today because there's not much to say about a flatworm, but they are an interesting species, so I thought I would include them nonetheless. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Cheers.
The candy-striped flatworm can grow to a length of around 50 mm, 2 inches, and a width of 25 mm, 1 inch. They are distributed around Western Europe, including on the western coasts of the British Isles. They are found in mud or amongst stones and seaweed. Due to them being so thin and flexible, when moving they look almost as if they are just flowing across the seabed. Their smooth motion is produced by tiny hair-like cilia on the underside of their body. Their body is often folded with 2 tentacles at the head, which can give this sea worm the appearance of a slug, but they are a separate group of animals. They are carnivorous, feeding on slow-moving, sedentary or dead animals. These flatworms are hermaphrodites. They reproduce by copulation with internal fertilization. Small batches of eggs are laid in gelatinous masses and develop directly into miniature adults.
So that was my video all about the candy-striped flatworm. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, why not hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Thank you again for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Cheers.